reset that. Reset. Okay. Okay, there you go.